the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
We have just gotten a coffee in Daybra.
We're heading up to Booloumba Camping Area, which is in the Conondale National Park. So we've got the next 3 nights booked there, and then it looks like we'll be heading up towards Gympie and then Woodgate. So stay tuned for our travels.
See what happens on the way. Should be good.
Let's go.
No, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Once we get out of Woodford, we were meant to turn right. We didn't turn right. That was about 10 kilometers ago, so...
Our first wrong turn.
Yeah, now we have to go all the way back on the road that we just drove for 10 k's and do it all again, and hopefully this time we will make the right turn.
We did get to see a bit more of the country though, so...
That's what happens when you get in your own little world talking about... I don't even know what we were talking about. Anyway, bit of fun. Love it. Okay, so we are just making our way through Mullaney. We're just going to drive through. We just filled up with petrol, with diesel, with fuel, and... and we've been here before a couple years ago, so I don't think we'll stop in Mullaney. We'll just keep on going through, drive through. We've just got to find water because we forgot to fill up with water, and that petrol station didn't have a place to fill up our tank. So now we're going to try the Liberty petrol station, and if that doesn't have it,
drink out of the river.
Yeah, we'll use our life straws and drink from the river. So, see what happens. Mullaney's very busy today. Every car park's taken. Lots of cars driving through. We're in the outskirts now, so you can't really tell. But lots of people crossing the street. So anyway, try and fill up with some water and then head back on the road to Booloumba Creek Camping Area.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
So we are on Booloumba Creek Road now, and there's going to be a few creek crossings coming up. So
Not sure when the first one is, but
I will jump out and record them.
you can walk through the water and test it for me.
I'll walk through the water, see how deep it is. If I drown, then I guess we turn around and go home.
I will, not you.
Looks like there might be one coming up. Anyway, we'll see. Nice clear water.
You wouldn't be crossing that.
No. pretty deep. It's up to my knees. But I'm short. It's not too bad. So this is camping area number 1. We're staying in number 4, but number 1 and 3 are carry-in, like walk-in camps only. So you can't, because we're in a rooftop.
You can drive in, but you can't camp at your car.
Yeah.
You gotta park above the campsite.
Yeah, so parking's next to the campsites.
There's some rocks leaving their rubbish.
Oh, a nice gazebo frame that someone's left. It's nice, you get some sun. I didn't think you'd get much sun in this one, but it's not too bad. Grassy areas, long grass because of all the rain.
I don't know. I need 4-wheel drive this. There we go in there. Private little zone.
Anyway, that goes around a little bit further, but that's the gist of it. It's all pretty much the same. We didn't get any firewood.
We did not get any firewood.
That's shit. That is a bummer. Hopefully someone's left some behind. Anyway, we're gonna go to camping area 4, and that's where we're staying.
We'll have a look at number 3 first.
Yeah, number 3 is further down. So you drive through the 2 river crossings, and then you come to camping area 1, and then you keep following the road and it takes you to camping area 4, and then camping area 3 is just past that, which is where the river is. So we will be walking through camping area 3 to get to the waterhole anyway. Should be nice. Number 3 is just down there. So I was wrong. You get to number 3 first and then number 4. Entry is around the corner, but maps told us the wrong thing. So number 4 is just over here, it looks like. And yeah. In here. Gonna go walk over here and have a look at the toilet block and see what we're dealing with. You got male there, female on this side. Cool, just normal flushable toilets. Pretty clean. Not bad. And the entry's just there. We decided to go here to the muddy area that's not actually muddy. It's quite nice, dry-ish, rocky ground. Jack's just busted a plugger. Still good. Gonna have to brake clip it.
Yeah, back to double rubber.
We're just gonna back up the car a bit because we need some sun. And the sun looks like it's coming out. So because we're here for a couple of days, we're going to use the solar. So we'll back up a bit. It looks like there's a track down there, which hopefully isn't annoying with people walking down, but no one's actually here except for those people, and they just drove off. So we worked out what that horrible clunking noise was.
Thanks, ARB. Maybe my tyres are too big.
Big tyres and a nice bull bar don't match. Have to take those guards off.
Delete them. We're 2 hours in on the trip and I've already broken something. That'll be right. So the tyres are hitting the bash plates and it's a bit bent, so I'm going to take them off and we'll throw them in the bin somewhere. Camp's all set up. Just going for a walk down to the swimming hole. See how it looks. Have a bit of a dip. Nice and refreshing. It's pretty deep.
Pretty hard to swim in sandals.
The water gets a bit murky when everyone's been bombing in.
Not bad.
I fixed the water tank the other day because there was a hole in it, and now the glue I used has left a pretty foul taste in the water, so I'm going to try flush the tank out a few times and see if it clears it out. Luckily we got this water here on site, but
It's not for drinking, but we have life straws if we need it, and we will...
we've got a carbon filter to fill the car up if we need. So.
Or we can boil it.
Another problem, another fix.
Hey, that's better.
Cooking mistakes. Nice and rare.
It's gonna be the theme song.
That's all I got in me.
We did walk through campsite number 3, and there's some spots there, even though it's tent only, there's some spots there that we could pull up our car. So if we see a ranger tomorrow, we're going to see if we can change our booking over there if we find a good spot, because that will be nice to be near the water. It's only a 2-minute walk from here, but be nice to switch it up a little bit, I think. Don't overcook them. Pressure's on. We also put our tent up for the first time in 6 weeks. And because we've been staying at Mum and Dad's, and it's been a cyclone in Brisbane, well, we got the tail end of it in Brisbane, somehow the tent has gotten wet. We don't know if it was from when the Brisbane rain happened or if it was from any time in the last 6 weeks, really. And it's all mouldy in there, so we had to take our sheet off, and we're sleeping sheetless for the next week until we go back to Brizzy, and then we'll try and clean it out. But I think we might go into Kenilworth tomorrow and get some Glen 20 or alike. I don't know, just some kind of mold cleaner or antiseptic or whatever it is, just to clean it up, because it smells very stale and I don't want to be sleeping, breathing in mold. So that was a good start. Good, nice surprise opening the tent and finding that. And then Jack cut his finger open on an axe. Straight through the nail.
Been a shocker of a day.
Yeah, it's been great, but got to start somewhere.
Good morning. Good morning. We've just had our morning coffee and
can you open the canopy?
Done a bit of pack up. So we're going to go down and have a swim. We'll show you what it looks like down there. Hopefully there's no one down there.
Fingers crossed. It's only 7:30. So.
Yeah, nice and early today. How's your swim?
Good, refreshing. Don't need a shower now.
Yep.
It was very nice.
Could spend all day down here. Booloumba Creek. Get around it. Found a few walks, bushwalks going up along the river, so either today or maybe tomorrow we might see if we can get up to that Artist Cascade, which is 4.7 k's. So we'll see how it goes, but we're gonna go pack up camp now and gonna head in and have a look at Kenilworth, get a few things that we've forgotten,
Ran out of paper towel. Turns out it was toilet paper, not paper towel, so we had to clean the barbecue with toilet paper.
So we'll go in and then we'll go have a look around Kenilworth and see what's around here while we're out.
We have just gotten to Kenilworth. Jack hasn't been here before, but I've been here with Mum and Dad, stayed at the showgrounds, which are just there. So we're gonna have a wander around and probably get a donut from the bakery because
oh, yummy!
because that's a must. So yeah, let's go.
Donut time.
We've already eaten a donut, but how was it?
Very delicious. It's
Very
a must.
nice.
Must
Yeah.
go and get one.
Yeah. I don't think you can go to Kenilworth without getting a donut.
2 pies we're going to put in the travel buddy for lunch later. They look equally as good, so
Should
just
be
going to have a
good.
look around. There's some pretty cool artwork on the walls behind us. And there's all these dishes on the wall over here we're going to have to go check out. Not really sure what they are, but yeah, it's a nice little town. These are all the people who've completed the 1 kilo donut challenge.
And their quotes after.
A little bit too much for me to take on, but a bit hard to see in the camera, but
Lisa, oh my god, I did it. Yeah, I did the same, Lisa.
too much donut for me.
I can't even eat one.
No. Which one?
Huh? The kid that was next to. We're gonna put our pies in the oven.
Yeah.
But they're already cooked, so
Yeah, I've just got it on a low setting so we can
keep them warm.
Someone didn't point that out last time. So we'll eat them for lunch.
Easy. Can I just say, Kenilworth Country Bakery has done it again. These pies are...
I think this is the best pie I've had so far.